Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to unhide your Coinbase balance. This method applies to the Coinbase mobile app. First, open your Coinbase app and sign into your account. Once logged in, you'll typically be on the home screen, which shows an overview of your portfolio balance. We'll focus on the specific action needed to reveal your hidden balance. The primary way to unhide your balance on the Coinbase mobile app involves a simple gesture. On your home screen, find where your total portfolio balance is shown. To reveal your hidden balance, simply long press on that displayed amount. This action will instantly toggle the visibility, making your balance visible again across the app. This feature is known as privacy mode, designed to offer discretion if you're showing your app to others or prefer a hidden view. It's important to note that this specific privacy mode is only available within the Coinbase mobile application and not on the website. You will need to long press your balance to unhide it every time you sign into your account. If you're still experiencing issues, ensure your Coinbase mobile app is updated to the latest version for optimal functionality. Remember, this specific long press method is for the main app's total balance. If you're using Coinbase Wallet and individual assets are hidden, you'll need to adjust settings within that separate application. For any persistent problems, reach out to Coinbase support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.